Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to auto reduce the CPU uses to cool down any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as Outbyte Chamomile. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this download. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to run this software installer. Now just click on OK, click on I accept, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish. So finally the application has started. So you can see this kind of interference showing your CPU details as well as the CPU speed, GPU and the hard disk temperature as well. So right now you can see the cooling mode is automatically being enabled and you can see the temperature of your CPU after enabling the cooling mode. And if I disable it, you can see it's started to increase. So you can see it's keep on increasing, as you can see whenever I'm doing some tasks. So you can see it's increasing, and if I turn on the cooling mode, it will start to decrease again slowly. On the above you can see your settings option. Now under the settings you will get some options here which you can check out by yourself, and you can get a tons of view options, whichever options you want to show, which temperature units you want to select. You can select a Celsius or Fahrenheit also depending upon your needs. So you can check out all these options present at the settings. So this Chamomile application will help you to auto reduce the CPU uses after every 1 minute. So this is the lowest time and you can get more time. You can set it to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes or 60 minutes. So I'll just keep it in after every 1 minute. It automatically reduces the CPU uses of my respective computer. So it helps a lot to auto reduce the CPU uses, and in return this will cool down your Windows computer very quickly. So in my opinion, you should definitely give this application a try on your respective Windows computer. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.